You look quiet today. Is something bothering you?
I I just feel nervous speaking English in front of others. Even in the classroom, I think everyone will notice my mistakes.
Everyone in this room is learning. Mistakes are not a problem here. What matters is your courage to speak. And today, I want to help you feel stronger.
I want to feel confident, but when I try to speak, my voice becomes so small.
That's totally normal. Confidence grows when you use simple daily expressions. Short, clear, natural sentences.
Daily expressions? Like the sentences people use every day?
Exactly. And they're very easy. Let me show you a few.
Okay, I'll try.
Say this. How are you today?
How are you today?
Good. Now another one. I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well. Thank you.
Perfect. See? You're already speaking clearly. These simple expressions help you feel relaxed when talking to others.
It feels easier than I expected.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't come from difficult grammar. It starts with small, natural sentences you can say anytime.
That makes sense. I think I can learn these.
You can, and you will. Let's try a few more. Say, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Great. Now, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Good. These are powerful expressions because they help you continue a conversation without fear.
I feel a little more confident already.
And that's the goal. We're going to build your confidence step by step right here in this classroom. By the end, you'll speak English without hesitation. You're doing really well so far. I can hear your voice getting a little stronger.
Really? I still feel nervous, but not as much as before.
Good. That means you're growing. Let's practice more daily expressions, the kind you can use anywhere, school, work, home, or with friends.
Okay, I'm ready.
Say this. Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Nice. This expression helps you when you didn't hear someone. Now try, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
Perfect. See how natural these sound? They make conversations easier.
Yes, and they don't feel complicated.
Exactly. Let's continue. Say this. I need a moment.
I need a moment.
Good. This gives you time to think before speaking.
I like that one. I always panic when my mind goes blank.
Most learners feel the same. Sometimes you just need a few seconds, and that sentence helps you take them.
It feels safe.
Now, another useful one. Can you help me practice?
Can you help me practice?
Look at that. You're speaking more smoothly with every sentence.
It's strange. I thought speaking English would always feel scary. But these small expressions make it easier.
Because confidence comes from clarity, not perfection. Let me give you a few expressions for everyday politeness, too. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Good. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Excellent. These simple expressions show respect, and they make people respond kindly. When people respond kindly, you feel more confident.
That's true. When someone answers nicely, I feel safe to continue speaking.
Exactly. And the more positive experiences you have, the faster your fear disappears.
I already feel a big difference from when we started.
And this is only the beginning. In this classroom, mistakes don't matter. Only progress does. And today, you've made a lot of progress. You've improved a lot today. Your voice is clearer, and you're speaking without waiting too long.
That surprises me. I usually think too much before speaking.
Thinking isn't the problem. Overthinking is. But these short daily expressions help you speak naturally, without pressure.
I can feel that now. The sentences come easier.
Great. Let's try expressions you can use in real-life conversations. Say, that sounds good.
That sounds good.
Nice. And now, I agree.
I agree.
Excellent. These sentences help you respond quickly in conversations.
Yes, they make me feel like I'm actually part of the conversation.
Exactly. Now let's learn expressions for giving your opinion. Say, I think so.
I think so.
Good. And I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Perfect. These are simple, but they show confidence.
I didn't know expressing opinions could be this easy.
It is when the sentences are short. Let's try a confidence-building one. Say, let me try.
Let me try.
Very good. This sentence shows you are willing to speak, even if you're nervous.
I like that one. It feels brave.
Because it is brave. Now one more. I can do this.
I can do this.
Say it again, louder this time.
I can do this.
That's the voice I want to hear. Confident, clear, proud.
I didn't know I could sound like that.
You always could. You just needed the right environment and the right support.
Thank you. I feel like I'm slowly losing my fear.
That's the goal. Every expression you say correctly pushes your fear away, and your confidence takes its place.
I want to keep going. I'm not scared anymore. Not like before.
Good. Then we'll continue. Your English is becoming stronger with every sentence you speak. You're speaking with so much more confidence now. I can hear the change.
It feels strange. I never thought simple expressions could make speaking feel this easy.
That's the power of daily English. Let's learn expressions you can use in everyday situations. Imagine you're in a store. Say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Good. Now, do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
Perfect. These sentences help you communicate without fear.
I always avoided talking in stores because I didn't know what to say.
Not anymore. Let's try travel expressions. Say, where's the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
Nice. And, can you show me the way?
Can you show me the way?
Great. These are simple, but they make you feel confident when moving around a new place.
It's amazing. All these expressions are so short, but they make me feel strong.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't come from long sentences. It comes from knowing what to say quickly.
I'm starting to believe I really can speak English.
You can. Let's add classroom expressions too. Say, I have a question.
I have a question.
Good. Now, can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
Very good. These sentences help you stay active in conversations and lessons.
I used to stay quiet in class because I didn't know how to ask things. But now I feel I can speak up.
And that's exactly the transformation we want. One more expression. Say, I understand now.
I understand now.
Great. Listen to how clear your voice is. Do you hear the difference from earlier?
Yes. I sound confident. And it actually feels good.
Good. You're not just learning English, you're rebuilding your confidence one sentence at a time. You've learned so many expressions today. Now I want to see how naturally you can use them.
Like a conversation?
Exactly. Don't be afraid. I'm here to help you, not judge you.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Imagine you walk into a store. Talk to me like I'm the shopkeeper. Start with a simple expression.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
How much is this?
Nice. It's $10.
Do you have a smaller size?
We do. Let me check. Here you go.
That sounds good.
Perfect. That was smooth, clear and confident.
I can't believe I said all that without freezing.
Because you're learning to trust your English. Let's do another one. Imagine you're lost in a new city. Talk to a stranger.
Okay. Excuse me. Can you show me the way?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Where is the bus stop?
Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you so much.
You're doing great. Your voice sounds steady now.
It feels steady. I'm surprised at myself.
Let's try one more. A classroom situation. You don't understand something. What do you say?
I have a question. Can you explain that again?
Excellent. You use the expressions naturally. That's real progress.
I'm actually proud of myself right now.
You should be. This is what confidence feels like. It's not loud. It's quiet and strong, and it's growing inside you.
I'm not afraid anymore. Not like before.
Good. From this moment on, remember one thing. You can speak English, and every simple expression you use makes you even stronger.